Game Champions League nights are back. Champions League is back. Amazing, amazing game. Amazing game today. PSG versus Man City. Not as amazing, like you would expect it to be, but it was still a cracker game. It was nice to see Messi, Neymar, Mbappe, and all these big boys in the, playing together. I thought, it's going to be a game where Man City is going to dominate them. Well, to be honest, they did dominate them. They had created a lot of chances. They created, a lot of moments, but at the end, it just didn't work out for them. As you see the way Man City plays, they try to go through the corners of the flag and go to the wings and put 100 balls in, and somebody should put a head to the ball. But I felt that it didn't happen today. It didn't work out for them anyway, and it just shows that how vulnerable they are without a striker. Even in the Chelsea game, Man City were not able to convert a lot of their chances. Man City were not converting those chances. Yeah, they scored the goal, but that's it. After that, they missed so many chances, which is the biggest thing I've seen in this team. And today also, Bernardo Silva missing that crucial chance. I mean, what the fuck? How can you miss that? It was an open goal, it just hit the bar like that. And even Cancelo giving the ball to Sterling, Sterling should have done better. And there was multiple chances where Man City had played wonderful passes of play, but the ball didn't work out. Whereas PSG with Idris Agay with a cross which came from Mbappe. Neymar mishit it. Fortunately, it took a kind deflection, and Mr. Idris Agay just shot the ball like it was going somewhere, like it was going to the moon. But instead of it, it just hit the top bin. Like it's the definition of top bin, and it was amazing goal, to be honest. And after that, Messi does what he does. He plays the ball as good as like anybody else. The placement was amazing of that ball, and nobody could place it any better, and Ederson just stood there, and I think they just got counter attacked by PSG, to be honest, because PSG was just 7 to 8 man defending, you know just on it. Marco Verratti amazing on the pitch today. Andre Herrera amazing on the pitch. Kimpembe, Marquinhos defending very well. Nelson Semedo doing a great job. Even Hakimi also, keeping check on all these Bernardo Silvas and Grealish and everything. I think Pep didn't play his best formation. I think he should have played Gabriel Jesus. He should have played Grealish, and he should have played Foden, or he should have gone with either Ferran Torres. If he, I don't know if he was available, but he should have gone with Ferran Torres because that was working for him. That was working for him in the Premier League, and he just did. He went without striker. There were too many false nines, and when you have too many false nines, there is no penetration inside the penalty box where you need to score. And amount of the passage of play was, there were a lot of passage of plays. There was a lot of they were trying to make runs, they were trying to make tiki taka balls, but just didn't work out for them because anything you do, you need to finish your dinner, and Man City did. Whereas PSG sat back, defended, 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 like every other team. Manchester United does it so many times where we just sit back, defend, 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 and when we get the chance, we attack and score on it. So that's what they did. Messi linked up with Mbappe and they scored. To be honest, PSG weren't that good enough. The system, I don't understand the system, like where you have seven at the back and just three at the front. I just feel it's an imbalanced system. The system hasn't, gelled well yet. Uh, Neymar looks rusty, even though he tried to do some flicks and tricks on Mahrez, and he was doing his thing, but he doesn't look that good. Mbappe looks okayish, like today he was okayish. Messi also looks okayish today. Good goal, but apart from that, in the overall perspective of the game, they were decent. Man City would be very disappointed. Pep would be very disappointed because taking a L against PSG is a big thing because now Poch knows that PSG could be Man City could be beaten, and that's the confidence that they wanted. And there was one more game I wanted to cover was Real Madrid versus what do you call Sheriff. Sheriff, a club from nowhere, first time they are playing in the Champions League, a club which is made in 1997, has beaten Madrid. It's Santiago Barbinio. What a goal by that guy, whatever his name is. The second Sheriff goal was amazing. Damn, what a strike, man. So yeah, that's all for the review today.